Hey everybody, it's Charlie from Daily Motor. Check this out, it's the 2022 Hyundai Kona N. We only have a few minutes with this car. It's a prototype, so we're just getting a little bit of time to throw it around, but holy cow is this thing sweet. So we're just gonna do a quick walk around and then get behind the wheel and show you how bonkers and how insane Hyundai is getting with these cars. I mean, this thing is not what you'd expect. It's even cool inside. Big ol' shifter right in the front. Let's roll. Right into N mode, as this thing should be driven. Oh my. You know what this car reminds me of is the Mini Cooper JCW GP that just recently came out. That's an actual handful. This thing is a lot. It's so rough, it's so raw. The amount of torque steer coming out of this thing is incredible. Of course, the noises it makes being an end product. It feels more manic than the Veloster N and the Elantra N. Those feel more like sports cars. This feels more like a lot of power thrown into a car that, it's not that it can't handle it. But it wants to just do a lot. And obviously I'm driving in the most hardcore drive mode, but this thing wants to be on a track in a good way. Woo! This thing just shows me the passion that Hyundai has for making cool stuff. It's a car that horsepower doesn't matter. Facts and figures and specs, none of that matters. It's just driving fun. I don't have too much more to say at this point, just because I'm actually enjoying driving the car. Oh, this ride is... I gotta try normal drive mode just to see what the ride is like. If it calms down, here's normal. It's definitely still firm, but it calms down a lot, so that's good. Awesome. Well, we need to wrap this up. Thanks for checking out our first drive of the Kona N. We'll absolutely be doing thorough testing on this when we get it back for a full review in Michigan. And we'll see you on the next one. I'm Charlie from Daily Motor, and as always, drive on.
Virtually no body roll. Really good.
It looks great.
Yeah, honestly, it drives better than it was.
Uh-huh.